Ako.
Introducing is complete, we will move to revive block, mandal and village congress committee, ensuring that the party's voice is present in every corner. This is not just an administrative exercise, it is political and ideological campaign to rebuild the party in the spirit of Bharat Jodo Yatra and Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra. These yatras helps reform the Congress ideology of justice, inclusive and secularism. This Abhiyan is the organizational expression of the message, of that message. The Abhiyan is about decentralizing power and creating space for new leadership from SC, ST, OBC, minority, women, youth and all committed Congress workers. We call upon all Congress workers and well-wishers of democracy to actively participate in this Abhiyan. Help us identify leaders who reflect the Congress ethos and can lead with humanity, vision and courage. Thank you.